How to send voice messages on WhatsApp Business. Need to send a quick update without typing? Here's how to send a voice message on WhatsApp Business. First, open a chat and click the microphone icon next to the text field. Hold it down while you speak your message. Release the icon when you are done, and the voice message will be sent automatically. If you want to cancel while recording, slide your mouse away from the button before releasing. Keep your voice notes short and clear for a more professional impression. Do you use voice notes often for your business chats? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can send voice messages on WhatsApp Business. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.